Experience the elegance of precision engineering with our 2-track aluminum sliding door system, designed for modern architectural spaces. This model features 2 independent glass sashes that glide effortlessly, offering a wide opening and a clean, minimalist aesthetic. It's ideal for areas with air conditioning or where mosquito nets aren't required, helping you reduce cost while maintaining a premium look. The structure is built using high-grade aluminum profiles, smooth stainless steel rollers, and standard European quality locking systems for long-lasting performance. Every movement reflects craftsmanship and attention to detail. Quiet, stable, and seamless. If you'd like to know the price for your project or want expert advice based on your site measurements, simply comment quotation below or message our business WhatsApp. Our team will arrange a quick site visit and prepare a detailed quotation tailored to your requirements.